Employee socialization. Introduction. A process of adaptation that takes place as individuals attempt to learn the value and norms of work roles. Joining an organization brings anxiety, excitement, happiness, loneliness, expectation, same as a new university student. Purpose of importance of socialization. Improves the ability of new employees. For example, a new person might have some anxiety with job. So by the socialization, we are improving their morale. Next, advantages and disadvantages of employee socialization. Advantages of employee socialization. Gaining of loyalty from employees, learning new skills and ideas, introduction of culture of company, importance of job and its benefits, chance of interaction with the new employees. Then disadvantages of employee socialization. Costly operated, for example, hiring of trainees, time consuming, low productivity. Next, issue relevant to socialization. Role communication and role orientation. Role communication means how well the role is communicated to the individual and the group. And role orientation means how innovation and individual is in interpreting an organization role. Next, there are 3 stages of socialization: pre-employment stage, encounter stage, and metamorphosis stage. In pre-employment stage, before arrival, expectations, value, attitude, which is developed from previous experience. In encounter stages are arrival, orientation, text expectations, newcomers, adaptation of new environment, making relationship among your colleague. In metamorphosis stage are expectations from organization, new skills and new role for the organization, part of organization, rules and norms training. Socialization categories. Learning about the organization, learning to function in the work group, learning to perform the job, personal learning. Next, purpose of new employee orientation. Orientation covers history of organization, culture of organization, rules and regulation of organizations, and policy and benefits. Next, process of socialization. Individual arise with a set of value, attitude and expectations which they have developed from previous experience and the selection process. Individual discovers how well their expectations match returns within the organization, where the difference exists. Socialization occurs to the employee with the organization standards. Individual has adapted to the organization, feel accepted and know what is expected of them. Next, common problems in the employee orientation. Too much of paperwork, information overloaded, information irrelevance, scare tactics, too much swelling of the organization. Next, content of socialization. Learning how to perform the job, necessary skills and knowledge for a particular job. Then personal learning. Learning from experience with the job and organization, including self-identity, expectations, self-image, motivations. Next, benefits of socialization. Socialization provides initial orientation of new employee on the job. It familiarizes the new member with the organization, culture, value, history, rules, regulations, etc. Socialization helps new employee to play their roles efficiently and effectively towards the achievement of organizational objective. Through the socialization, the organization can ensure that the rebellious type of employees are either change of employees or either changed or expelled. Socialization helps ensuring stability of organization by creating commitment among the employees concerned. Proper interpersonal relationship among employees can be ensured through the socialization. As a result of socialization, employee turnover is expected to come down. Next, organizational socialization. How an employee adjusts to a new organization. Employee satisfaction, commitment and performance. And work group satisfaction and performance. Startup cost for a few employees and replacement costs. Next, the assumption of employee. Socialization strongly influences employee performance and the organization stability and provide information on how to do the job and ensuring the organizational fit. The new member suffers from anxiety which motivates them to learn the value and the norms of the organizations. Thank you.